This is a new one. What is that right there next to it? What the fuck is that way down there too? That's another one in a different direction. This is nice. Busy sky tonight, huh? This has got to be a plane. Whoa. Gotta be planes coming. Okay, why is there no wings? Why is that green? Come on, I can't be this lucky today, can I? This isn't insane. Again, this thing's like 2,000 feet up, 3,000 at the most. I'm 150 feet off the river on this bluff. I'm waiting for beacon lights because we got airports all over around here. Mosquitoes are getting brutal, guys. And look at this guy up here. He's just trying to be all quiet and fly over. He's going southwest and northeast. Could be a satellite, but most likely not. Too bright, be a satellite. Okay, we got this one turning on beacon lights now. Let's see. I still don't see him on the plane. The fuck was that? I mean, this is a fucking plane. This is the slowest plane in existence coming in here. I don't even hear anything. Wow. Come over here. He's 1,000 feet up. Come over here. All right, we got beacon lights now. Okay, good.